Hi there, Zach Castle here, marketing expert for the Huffaker Group at Keller Williams Realty. Back again with another tip from our home maintenance series. Now you've probably noticed recently that we've been posting a lot about the importance of keeping a well-maintained lawn. Your lawn plays a huge part of your home's first impression, as well as its outward appearance. And whether we like to think about it or not, your home's outward appearance does project an image of what your home may look like on the inside. Did you know that your home's lawn makes up to 7% of its market value? That's a pretty high number, and I think we ought to give our lawns the right amount of time and attention they deserve to look proper. Now, outside of the aesthetic and monetary values that your lawn can bring you, there's plenty of other benefits, such as providing clean air for your family, reducing noise pollution from the community and surrounding areas, promote other plants and wildlife from growing, as well as provide an excellent space for recreation and leisure. If you'd like more information on keeping a proper, well-maintained lawn, or would like more tips on home maintenance, contact your friends today at the Huffaker Group, Keller Williams Realty.